This is how to search video scenes. Type in subtitles you're looking for. You can search video scenes with subtitles you want. This is how to play video scenes. In search result, click the subtitles or thumbnails to play the video scenes. This is how to use training tools. Open the video. There are 4 training modes for listening, speaking, role-playing, dictation with interactive subtitles. This is how to use additional tools. Each training mode has some buttons for additional functions to control subtitling, training range, viewing, and speed interval. This is how to use listening mode. Here are listening mode and play button. Select listening mode. Select check box for training range. Click play button to start. Click interactive subtitles to move to other scene. This is how to use speaking mode. Here are speaking mode and record, replay, and compare button. Select speaking mode. Select checkbox for training range. Click record button to start. Click replay button to listen your voice after recording. Click compare button to compare your voice with the original voice. This is how to use roleplay mode. Here are roleplay mode and roll, record, and replay button. Select roleplay mode. Click roll button to select a character. Select check box for training range. Click record button to start. Click replay button to listen to your voice dubbed. This is how to use dictation mode. Here are dictation mode and prev, write, and next button. Select dictation mode. Click write button to start. Click subtitle hide unhide button to check the answer. Click in other text box or prev and next button to move to other sentence. The world's best website to learn Korean, koreanforyou.org.